In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export emails from Microsoft Outlook to Microsoft Excel. By the end, you'll have a clean CSV file you can open in Excel to sort, filter, and analyze your messages. Start by opening Outlook on your computer and make sure the mailbox you want to export from is loaded. Give it a second to sync if needed so all your latest emails are visible. Next, head to the File tab in the top left corner. From there, choose Open and Export, and then click Import, Export. This opens Outlook's Import and Export wizard, which is the built-in tool for creating a file from your mailbox content. In the wizard, select Export to a file, then Continue. This tells Outlook you want to create a copy of your data rather than bring data in. On the next screen, choose comma-separated values. CSV is a simple, universal format that Excel reads perfectly, and it's ideal for quick reporting or archiving. Now choose which email folder you want to export. For example, you might pick Inbox, Sent Items, or a specific project folder. Keep in mind that Outlook will export only the folder you select, so pick the one that contains the messages you need. You can always repeat this process later for other folders if necessary. Click Browse to choose where to save the file. Pick an easy-to-find location like your desktop or documents. Give the file a clear name and click OK. Adding a date to the name can help you keep versions organized. Make sure you note where you saved it so you can open it right away in Excel. Click Finish to start the export. If you have a lot of messages, this may take a moment. Outlook will generate a CSV file that includes key details like subject, sender, recipients, and received dates, which are perfect for sorting and filtering once you're in Excel. When the export completes, open the CSV by double-clicking it or launching Excel and opening the file from there. If Excel prompts you to enable editing, go ahead. You can auto-fit the columns so everything is readable, apply filters to find specific senders or date ranges, and save a copy as in .xlsx workbook if you want full Excel features like formulas and charts. That's it. You've exported your Outlook emails into a format that's easy to analyze, share, or archive. Keep the CSV in a safe place and repeat the process whenever you need an updated snapshot of your mailbox. Thanks for watching and happy exporting.